Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing good and everybody's in good health. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showcasing and sharing with you a couple of DIY daily worksheets or activities, you could call them, for kids like LKG and UKG, which is lower KG and upper KG, along with, you could say, primarily the kids who are in pre-K and kindergarten, and the age bracket could be around 3.5 to 5.5 definitely. And if you think your child needs like if you're looking for lower age, you can definitely adapt the activities for your child's age. So these activities that I'm going to be sharing with you are extremely easy. They're totally DIY, and you won't take more than 5 to more than 7 to 8 minutes to create them. So all you need is paper, pencil, and some colors, and you are done, and your child would be engaged. You don't need to worry about it. So let's get going. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends and families. So let's get going, guys. Alright guys, so this is the book which I was talking about, and this is the daily fun activities, or you could say daily fun worksheets. So because I have made it in form of a book, so that the child can do every day, and we can definitely it could be a milestone that they can achieve by doing it on a daily basis. So the first one says about me, which is my name, my age, I am a boy or a girl, and says years old, and my birth date, month and year. So what they have to do, they have to try and attempt to write their own name. They have to try and attempt to write their age. Then you have a couple of activities which says red, and red is apple. So there's a red star, circle the red pictures. Then you have the red color. All right, you have a capital R here and a small r here, and along with all that, there are a lot of pictures here that represent the color red. Okay, what the child needs to do, either they can identify by showing with the pointer finger, or they can circle it around. And then you have I spy in the house, look around and write. So what I've done here is I've taken the concept, like when the child is roaming around in the house, they should be able to adapt, and they should be able to spot something with red color. So there are the 4 things they need to figure it out here. So they have to write, like they say red, so if they see a pen, they have to write pen, or if they just say pen, then red. A marker or a cushion or anything, whatever they say, they have to spot it there. We have for yellow, which is banana, and then we have a picture which is a star right here, which is representing just the color. And then it says circle the yellow picture. So the pictures that you have here, the child needs to see which one is yellow, and then the child needs to circle it around. And then you have look around and write I spy in the house, and with all the yellow things. Then a couple of things have been added here. Circle the pictures that are red and yellow. So you have all these options here. So the child needs to find all the red and yellow pictures, and they need to circle them around. So red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow. They need to do that. Then there is another element that I've added here. This is primarily not to learn spellings, but just to introduce the alphabets and to be thorough with them. Alright, so I have written the word yellow and red here. And so like red, like r, r. So R is missing here, and the child needs to write R. Alright, here Y is missing, Y. So they need to write the sound yellow or Y here. They're doing the sounds. So you're focusing on phonics at the same time. Plus they are just revising, or they are just trying, you are just trying to help them understand or learn the alphabets one more time. So here E is missing, here L and L is missing. So not knowingly they are doing the spellings, but we are focusing on only alphabet. So I have made them in different ways so that the child can have fun in finding what is missing. Alright, then we have blue is sky, and circle the blue pictures. And then a couple of things in the house that they need to I spy, and then they need to spot in blue. So we have we did blue, we did red, and we did yellow. I think I left a page in between. Yeah, actually this says draw a picture of yourself here, and draw your house and color it. This was just about when it says about me. After that, you come here, you picture yourself, and you draw your house. Then we move forward to green. So you have a couple of things of green here. They need to circle. If you will see, I followed a pattern, and the reason is because the child will be able to identify and remember the information once you'll be doing it all over again with them. So they can just spot. If you don't want to use the pencil, they can just spot it at that time. or they can just put like a button or something. So like if you have anything in the house, they can just say this is green. They can just put on top so that you can keep doing it over and over again. All right, this they circle the green and blue picture. So you have a lot of smiley pictures going around here, all different kind of emojis, and the child has to figure out which is green and blue, and they need to circle them. The same thing I have done here for blue and green color. They'll be working on the alphabets, and somewhere capital, somewhere small. So I think that's a pretty great activity. And in the end, what I've done is I have done like a revision thing where it says write the name of colors, and you have all the colors here, and then say aloud 2 things with each color. Spot the green color vegetable in the fridge. Spot the blue sky. What's your favorite color? So that's it, guys. I think it's a pretty cool activity book that I have created, and definitely the kids are gonna enjoy. It won't take you more than like 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes maximum to create this video. In case if you're looking to have a printable of this book for your kids, just let me know. Drop in the email in the comment section below. But the printable is paid, so just let me know, guys. And I hope if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.